Here, throw handfuls, honey. Hey everybody, Kevin and Miss Kitty down here at Truman Lake again, and we're just down below the Truman Dam, and we found out all these seagulls have a tendency to like Frito chips, so we're just checking them out since they come up to see us first.
They're all over the place.
There are a bunch of them. So I thought that was pretty cool coming down here. Okay, well, we're going to go over here by the water and see whatever's on the other side of this ledge over here where the fish might be. So we'll talk to you here in a minute. So we made it over here to where the ledge is at, where the water's at. I mean, these seagulls are going nuts over these Frito chips. They are everywhere. So yeah, this is up here below Dam. Been up here a lot of different times, done several different videos, but this is well worth the drive to come up. Nope. Okay. So we are actually up here at Truman Dam, not Dam. Sorry about that, made that mistake. So this is Truman Dam down here in Warsaw, Missouri, and the seagulls are crazy thick down there. They're loving these Fritos up here today. So I hope everyone got a kick out of this. Getting to see the birds like this is really cool. Bunches of them. Well, anyway, we will talk to you later. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out all our other videos. Like I said, I've done several up here. So we will talk to you later.